Alright guys, we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to remove a front bumper. So to do that, the first part you need to remove is this one right here. So to do this, let's just give you guys a quick tutorial because I've already started. That's how it sits on the car. You need to remove each individual clip that is on here. Once you remove that, it's basically just a pull off and it comes off like this. So that's part one. You need to take off the grill. Okay, so the clips will look like this, if you guys can see. Basically there's a little indent groove, you just pop it out there and they should pop right off. If not, they will tend to crack sometimes when you do them, so they will break, so be very careful if you can. Next step after that, you need to remove the underlining as well. So underneath the car there are 8 to 15 of these here. So as you can see, there's one there, and then it goes all around the car, just all around the sides. Once you've done that, this little bad boy should hopefully come off soon. There are 2 screws. So this is where the tire arch is. There's a screw hole here. I've already taken that out. Screw looks something like this. So it's a Phillips head screw. Pretty standard. One on this side and one on the other side. And we'll just check it out here, and there's another one here. So to remove it off this itself, it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, they are pop out indent grooves. So basically all you need to do is pull them out and they just undo the clips, and then this part will come out. And I'll give you guys an idea on this side. So this one's, once it's in, just pull it a little bit, just let it loosen up a bit, and then once you pull it, give it a little bit more power and it should pop off like that. Okay, once you've done that, you just need to pop off the rest of it very carefully, and once it's all done, you should be sweet. I'm going to be doing that now while I record this, so we'll see how we go. Maybe I'll do it there. Alright, so just to give you guys an idea, so when you want to take them off, they will be clipped onto these little grooves. As you can see here, these little clips. So you got to make sure that they all come off those clips so they can come off smoothly. So I'm going to give it another crack. So whenever you're going to be taking off the bumper, you need to make sure that if you have fog lights, that there are no cables here that are connectors, because if you pull it out, you're going to be ripping out everything. So make sure you take it out properly. And there you have it, guys. That's how you remove a front bar. So guys, make sure to check your car and see if anything happens, because you never know when there's a creepy crawly that's out here. And this car had a redback spider. A redback spider on my car. I could have died. So make sure to check your surroundings if you see anything. And a spider web is a pretty good idea. And to check it. But yeah.